Welcome! If you're trying to save mobile data while using Snapchat, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable data saving mode for 3 days using Snapchat's built-in feature. This is especially helpful if you're on a limited data plan or just want to reduce background usage without completely turning off your app activity. Let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings live. Next, in the top right corner, tap the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This opens up your settings menu where you can customize how Snapchat behaves. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy Control. Inside this section, look for an option called Data Saver. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll now see the option to turn on Data Saver. Check or enable this option to activate it. Once you do that, Snapchat will give you a few duration choices. From here, select 3 days. This means Snapchat will limit background data usage.